My dear colleagues, as we have now entered our second week of working from home, I would like to take a minute to share some updates. First, I would like to thank you for your cooperation during these trying times. In light of the rapidly evolving COVID-19 epidemic, IOM and the UN country team has entered uncharted territory in terms of business continuity. For those of us here working at country level, interacting with the serving beneficiaries is what gets us meaning and our daily work. I share the feelings of frustration. Many of you have not been able to interact as usual with those in need, particularly at a time when many of migrant communities we serve and support could become increasingly vulnerable. Despite this, our relevance to host communities, migrants, and international community is arguably more important than ever. Our critical life-saving activities, such as assistance to rescued migrants in the Mediterranean and cross-border operations, are continuing. Let's support our colleagues who are on frontliners during this critical time. The UN has launched a global humanitarian response plan to fund the fight against COVID-19. IOM Turkey must do its part. We have already started providing assistance to local government in supporting procurement processes, supplies to assist in their response. We are in conversation with donors regarding the status of the current projects and are working to find the ways to continue work plans while understanding the need to hold off on certain activities and shift priorities. What is important at this time is for all of us to maintain perspective. While our working environment and priorities may shift, it doesn't mean we have become less relevant. In addition, staying healthy, maintaining both our physical and mental health is paramount to keeping perspective and staying positive. IOM has made resources available to help you and your families in this effort. Please be in touch with your managers to ensure you make time in your day to focus on well-being if needed. I know you are all humanitarian heroes, but now the most humanitarian thing you can do is to ensure that you do not spread this virus. Stay at home and follow WHO guidelines. Do it for your grandparents, your parents, your children, your friends, your neighbors. Finally, to date, I'm very pleased with the solidarity I've seen among IOM Turkey staff. The message and actions of support colleagues are providing to one another. Whether it is bringing food for colleagues who are in self-isolation to getting medicine for those who's not feeling well. You have shown me what it means to come together, and I'm proud of you. Therefore, I thank you all for your unwavering team spirit and dedication. Thank you for your attention.